let's go, let's go. What do you want, Victor? Hi. Huh? You're gonna share with Yelena. Thank you.
There's a little play area.
Huh?
There's a little market.
Where?
There. Sunday market.
Thank you. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
There.
Merry Christmas.
That's yours.
I think we did this song for Ben. For some reason, why doesn't Dad work?
Yelena.
I think we did this song for Ben.
Yelena. You got one?
I think we did this song for Ben.
Huh?
I should take a bite.
Oh, say bye, Yelena. Happy New Year. Good job. Thank you.
Is it illegal to swim to Coconut Island right now?
Oh, my brain is
Well,
not.
I mean, you can swim to Coconut Island, but I mean, yeah, it's not, I mean, it's closed. Guys,
And another one over here, Victor.
There's 3 of them. How could they do that? How is that? I catch. Then I catch the mud.
oh yeah, you. Oh! Be careful! Be careful! There's wet spots.
That's wet.
Yelena, Victor, you too. You too, Victor.
We should have a tank for ghost shrimp.
Yeah, Daddy tried. Remember, they all died.
They got eaten.
Oh.
That's a long one.
One time at Onakahakaha, I remember trying to catch a barracuda with a
I see fishy.
Yeah, lots of fishes. Yeah. Yeah. Up. You got it.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Here, let me hold your hand.
bamboo.
Be careful, Yelena.
Such a long story.
Here you go.
Where's the frog?
Where?
I can't see it. Oh.
But the bird isn't in there. Still, the lantern right there, Victor.
No. How many goose you see?
1, 2.
Yeah.
You found? No, that's a smaller bird.
No.
Oh, that definitely is.
Oh, this is new.
It's orange
No,
now.
these things.
No, it's red orange now.
Somebody. Oh.
Oh, these were in here.
Ah, look at that. They rebuilt that. Look at that. So awesome.
It's a crafting grade.
Yeah.
Tic-tac-toe.
Was it open before?
X. No. X.
Was it low like that?
X.
Here. Here, hold my hand. Woo, 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 woo. Ah, you step on me. Here you go. Hey, take your drink. Haha, you almost forgot your drink. You know why they put these 2 here, yeah? Because they found old pictures that didn't have these before. These are nice benches. No. Oh, look at that!
More than a goose.
No!
Daddy, I like shells.
Shells or poo-poos?
Shells.
Ew. Oh yeah, look, they fixed all of this. That's so cool.
Did they move the Daddy? Did you? How are the shells stuck, Daddy?
Yeah. Excuse me. Ugh.
What is this, man?
This is
Zebra,
also
how are you
granite.
sitting over there? It actually looks like you're sitting. Damn.
Remember that one time we saw a seahorse in here? Oh, this is muddy. Okay. Okay, come here, guys. Whoa, you fall down.
Hey, Daddy!
Wow. That's cool.
Oh, crabs.
Oh, wait,
Spiders.
sea crab.
This is up there somewhere. You can see the gym. Yeah. Follow this up. All right. That was good, yeah? Say Happy New Year's to the park. All right, let's go home now.